The apartment is located in new modern residential complex called Fayna town in Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. The client dreamt of having her own place with a cozy living room, functional kitchen and a bedroom with a dressing room and dressing table. My name is Olga Bondar, and I'm interior designer and founder of Olga Bondar Design in Kyiv. Fayna town used to be a Kyiv vegetable factory and some greenhouses. It was recently transformed into a modern and functional, vibrant community. There are cafes, shops, bike paths, schools and parks where you can meet your friends or do your work. The construction of the residential complex began in 2017 and was complete in 2019. This apartment is for young professional who leads an active lifestyle. She also chose the color scheme that could include blue, pink and yellow. The base color had to be light gray, almost white, which helps give a sense of space. The apartment was completely empty. In the corner of the apartment was a loggia, which was a semi-outdoor area with large floor-to-ceiling windows. I opened up the hallway by shifting the walls towards the bedroom. I extended the bathroom, which allowed us to accommodate a fridge on the other side. Finally, I removed the wall and entrance to the loggia and converted it into the new bedroom. Entering the apartment, we found ourselves in the common space of the combined entrance hall, living room and kitchen. To the left is a wardrobe for outerwear, shoes, a poof and hooks. A boiler and a washing machine are located in the closet that allowed us to have more space in the bathroom. To the right, there is a floor-to-ceiling mirror built into the wall. I often use frameless mirrors that are fixed on the walls to expand the look of the space. The living room is located opposite the entrance to the apartment. A sofa with a lower height back allowed us to have a full-size comfortable sitting area without creating a visual block. For the TV, we choose a picture frame model that hangs on the wall and can appear like artwork. The kitchen is compact but has everything you need. There is a sink, a hidden dishwasher, an induction hob and an oven which is wide to match the cabinets. The kitchen corner is made of MDF, the splashback is an artificial stone and the cabinet doors were made from chipboard. I wanted to make a beautiful shelf for glasses, a vase or for personal belongings above the sink. The fridge is hidden in a niche within the walls of the kitchen. The doors are the same color as the wall, so that you will not immediately notice it. I decided to paint the area around the windows yellow to create a portal that would add warm sunlight to the kitchen even on a cloudy day. There is a small dining area that separates the kitchen and living room. A small bar counter was chosen to allow two people to comfortably eat while looking out towards the living room. it can also be used as a work area. The bedroom is located through a door by the living room. There is a floating dressing table with a large floor-to-ceiling mirror and a floating bedside table next to it. The yellow color echoes the yellow window by the kitchen. There is a custom bed with a storage space for bed linen and blankets. The dressing room is behind the curtain on the opposite side. The curtain allows the client to let light in and to close it up to hide away clutter. The built-in closet blends in with the walls. It has lots of storage for clothes and personal belongings. A floating shelving system was built on both sides of the dressing room for extra storage and to display the client's belongings. The entrance to the bathroom is located by the hallway. The tapware is built into the wall to allow more space for the wash basin. The vanity and the toilet floats above the floor to visually give the room extra space. The shower tiles, as well as the paint on the walls, are moisture resistant and allow for quick drying. The built-in closet has shelves for additional storage and laundry baskets. My philosophy when it comes to designing a small space is to maximize the use of space in order to get the maximum functionality. This can be achieved through finding ways to hide appliances, use mirrors to reflect the surrounding space, and create bespoke furniture. Upgrading and repurposing exciting inner city spaces like Fayna town allows more people the ability to access housing. It has revitalized the area and has been a great example of modern living.